good with them? Yes.
Ane kadenge.
You got two scores. You got 1 score.
Why? Why?
Thank you. I'm so sorry. I don't know. It's really excellent. Yeah, I mean, I would like to have more of it. Made my day.
This is the oil fried.
And this one's the air fryer.
And since we're done, to spice it up, we're gonna add some lemon juice. Can I do it?
Have it.
No, me.
There, stand there.
Is it good with them?
How is it?
How is it?
Good.
Good.
Is it spicy?
Do we get to try?
Yeah.
Hi. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to be making a Father's Day special, which is chicken lollipops.
You're gonna.
You guys do it. We're making chicken lollipops for Father's Day.
You're gonna need a pound of chicken.
And then you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste.
Of chili garlic sauce.
A tablespoon of dark soy sauce.
1 teaspoon of pepper. A teaspoon of chili powder.
More spicy.
Very spicy.
Yeah.
Then you need 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch to make it crispy.
You need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Of all-purpose flour.
And then you'll need 2 eggs.
Crack it, guys. Okay.
We can do ice cream.
We got it.
Yeah, you can do it your way. Yeah. Yeah.
Keep on doing it. It's fine. We already did it.
Yeah.
This feels good.
ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮಹಾ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
The exact same thing goes in.
Oh my god. Good thing I wore a t-shirt.
ಪುನಃ ತಗೊಂಡು
While we're going to wash our hands, we're gonna let this chicken sit for 15 minutes.
Time oil gets warm, let's prepare paneer.
Since the marination is done, Auntie is
Helping us fry it. On top.
It looks so crispy and yummy.
Definitely excited to put it in my stomach.
This chicken looks so yummy.
My mouth is already watering. If you don't want to fry your chicken lollipops in oil, you can always use the healthier version.
Air frying. Now we're going to put the chicken into the air fryer.
We're gonna lay it down and spread it out.
Chicken is very jiggly. Awoke from the oven.
ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್
To
Doing the
chicken?
chicken lollipop. But they're not letting me. I'm gonna put the last one in.
Huh?
Can I do it?
No.
What?
Here, like just like on top of it.
Avocado oil.
Oh.
Minutes.
Okay.
Start it as this.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Don't touch that one.
This is the oil fried.
And this one's the air fry.
And since we're done, to spice it up, we're gonna add some lemon juice. Can I do it? They're not letting me do it.
Have it.
No, me. Good with this?
How's it? Can we try?
No, don't.
Is it?
Is it good?
Siguro.
Can we try? Please? Sorry.
Okay, now you want to call the dads.
Let's call the dad for taste testing.
Call them.
I get one for
Call the Abby now taste testing.
That's point of view.
Okay.
Here only.
Do you want to give some space?
My mouth is filled with flavor. Very tasty, outrageously tasty.
Mmm. Amazing. Well cooked actually. The spiciness, but it's right kind of spiciness. You guys figured out the spiciness.
Your turn.
Yeah, very.
What's that?
It's the perfect amount of spice. The chicken is very juicy and good flavor. The lemon complements it really well. It's great.
You guys made our day. Father's Day.
Abby!
I can now say it's really happy for them.
Yeah.
Thanks to you.
It is amazing. The best Father's Day present.
Enjoying it.
Can't stop.
Happy Father's Day from Ashcooks!